Okay, this is a 4-bay NAS bare bone system I bought from Amazon. A lot of screws. This is a USB 2. Two USB 2s. There are 4 holes here. This is for the 2.5 disc. This is a place for motherboard. Power supply will be here. This is ITX motherboard. I will use this computer. I built this computer a couple months ago. Now I'm going to use the motherboard in here, in this computer to here. We can see it says Ultra Silence NAS 4-bay chassis, $75. Power supply plug in here. This is for the front panel. Switch and lights. And this is for from USB 2. This is the ITX board. I took it from this computer. The back panel of this motherboard is on the board, so I don't know if I can take this out. If I cannot take this out, maybe I cannot put in this case. This one I definitely take out before I can do anything. Let me see. That's the one. This is the one. 2. Oh. Take this out. See this side, because of the back panel is blocked here, I cannot put it in. Okay, I put the motherboard in. First, I remove this case fan. Then disassemble the rear panel, back panel from motherboard. Then also remove the Wi-Fi module. Then put the motherboard in. Also, I cut the frame a little bit and drew 2 holes here because when I put the motherboard in, I have to reinstall the back panel. So there are 2 screws here. So I will still use the original power supply for here. After finish, just like that. Okay, I power it on. The bolts. This motherboard is a Geekbyte B550i CPU, is a AMD 4650G. That's not for the servo, but that's the only RTX motherboard I have. So I just use it as a servo. Okay, now I will put a cover on. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.